Ilan ba ang huling pagkakataon na pinili mo ang sarili mo? Sige nga, i-comment. Yung ikaw na yung tipong inuuna lagi yung iba bago yung sarili. Dahil ikaw ay selfless. Madalas, iniisip mo lagi yung ibang tao. Bakit nga ba? At minsan nakakalimutan mo na tanungin ang sarili mo, okay pa ba ako? Pagod na ba ako? Meron pa ba akong ibibigay? At madalas you feel guilty kapag inuuna mo yung sarili mo dahil nasanay ka na inuuna mo lagi ang iba bago yung sarili mo. Ang unfair, ano? Nakakasad. Ikaw ito yung pagod, pero huli ka lagi sa priority. Minsan naman i-treat mo yung sarili mo dahil deserve mo naman yan. Kainin mo ang gusto mong kainin, magpahinga ka. Learn to say no. Learn to say no to some invitations so that you can say yes to yourself. Or you can say yes to more greater things. Learn to say yes to yourself too. Loving yourself is not selfish. So don't feel bad. Don't feel guilty. Happiness doesn't come through selfishness, but through selflessness. Everything you do comes back around. But wait, there is more. Selflessness is also loving. And you cannot give more or love other people pag hindi mo muna mahal ang sarili mo. So don't feel guilty if you pose from helping others. Okay lang naman yan. Pagbigyan mo muna yung sarili mo bago ang iba. Ito ang realization dyan, guys. You cannot give what you don't have. Love others as you love yourself. Paano? Mahalin mo muna ang sarili mo. Remind yourself to love yourself first. Not because you are selfish, but when you are happy, healthy, you can give more to other people. So maraming salamat at please like and share. God bless everyone. I love you.